Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing the best in your lives. Guys, my today's video contains a very beautiful blend of different design ideas of hand embroidery. The design ideas contain different floral pattern based embroidery, different creative patterns of colorful combination that give a ravishing, eye classy and trendy look to the beginners. Those who are beginners of hand embroidery, or are they searching for a very beautiful, exquisite, elegant and a quite eye-catchy collection, or they are looking for a embroidery beginner pattern from which they can start their hand art, their hoop art creativities, then this video collection is absolutely for you guys. The trend and the scope of this collection is wide in itself, because you can use these very creative ideas for designing your shirts, dresses. You can use these floral patterns as a motifs on your shirts, on your t-shirts, sweatshirts, on your everyday sleeveless summer outfits as well. Even you can design these very beautiful floral patterns onto your baby girl dresses, onto the top of the baby girl, onto the frocks, onto the yoke of frocks of your baby girls. And the scope is not only limited to this, you can also use these very beautiful floral patterns as all over embroidery patterns. Even you can design these very beautiful flower patterns for decorating your home based items, like you can decorate your house, like making these embroidery patterns onto your pillows, onto your cushion covers, onto your bed sheet, onto your quilt cover. And the scope is not only limited, wait, you can also make these very beautiful patterns of hand embroidery onto your everyday accessories, like glasses covers, like mobile covers, like handbags, like handmade, hand knitted stuff, like hand knitted socks, gloves, or a handmade fabricated material shoe as well. Even you can also use these floral patterns of embroidery as a hoop art or as a wall hanging to decorate your home with the exquisite and delicate touch of your hand art. Guys, we try our best to share with you a very creative, exquisite and elegant ideas and design patterns on daily basis, to give you a mesmerizing touch of latest trends of hand embroidery. So guys, do try these patterns and share your experiences with us. If you want to get more creative ideas related to hand embroidery, hand art, or girls fashion nable ideas or dress designing, then go to our channel. We have separate playlists for every purpose. You will be amazingly surprised to see all the creative patterns. So do try these patterns and share your experiences with us in the comment section, in the comments box. Leave massive comments so that we could get to know what you feel about our content and what you want us to share with you. All of these are a blend of Chinese embroidery, Brazilian embroidery, different simple and easy basic hand embroidery stitches that are user and beginner friendly. So stay tuned for the new upcoming videos. Up till then, take care.